So I'm always like having to go back looking crazy. What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you see by the title, you know what type of video we're doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this distressed slash like butterfly type of faux locks look. If you're interested in that, you know, just stay tuned. If you don't know who I am, my name is Nikki Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. So if you're interested in that, definitely just stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn the bell notification so you won't miss when I upload again. Let's just get right into it. So this video is actually sponsored by KLUYI Beauty Hair, and they are an Amazon seller. They do sell like crochet braids, crochet, like how I did this look, basically that type of hair. So I'm gonna have all the links, of course, down in the description box. So if you're interested in purchasing this hair, the link will be down in the description box. I will have their Instagram name and their WhatsApp and their email on the screen. So everything comes in this bag that has their brand and everything. On the front, it comes in a Ziploc bag, and what you get inside is a crochet needle, some rubber bands, and like some cute little hair accessories. So it comes with 6 packs, and the packs look like this. Is what they look like. It's in the 1B, and it has 22-inch passion. So they're basically just like the passion twist, but they're like unraveled in a way. So yeah, I'll show you everything in the video, but it comes with 6 packs. I only use 2 packs on my hair, so that would just tell you that they come with a whole bunch. And if you want to do smaller parts, you will definitely have enough hair, because I know that's like a big thing. Like for me, at least, I never buy enough hair when I go to the beauty store, so I'm always like having to go back looking crazy because I didn't get enough hair in the beginning. So, but if you order this from Amazon, they definitely send you a whole bunch of hair for your order, so that's definitely a good thing. So not gonna ramble on any more longer. I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely just stay tuned. And all right, y'all, so as you can see, I'm starting by taking out a braid that I had a wig on before this, so I just braided my hair in sections because I knew I was going to do this style later on in the week. So I'm just taking down that braid that I had in the front of my head. As you can see, my hair is definitely not black, so this process is a little difficult for me because my roots of my hair are like orangish type of reddish color. But now I'm just using a rat tail comb and parting my hair. I'm just going to be doing 3 sections in the front. I did do really big sections just because I'm not going to have this hair in for long, and I just wanted to show you guys how you can kind of make this style. But now I'm using this curl stretch that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you haven't gone and seen I do my natural hair with only using Dollar Tree products, definitely go do that after this video. But yes, now I am just going to be moisturizing my hair again and just braiding it from the roots. And I'm doing this because I need like a base to wrap my hair around, and it's easier if you have your hair braided or twisted, but much easier if it's braided. Alright, so here, as you can see, I'm taking a piece of the passion twist hair, and I'm going to be splitting it up. So I'm just going to be like dragging my fingernail throughout the curl pattern that it already has, just so I can fluff it up a little bit. And this is what's going to make your hair like a lot thicker when you decide to put it in. Alright, now so I'm going to be taking another strand of the passion twist. I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to what I did the first one. And after we have those 2 done, then we're going to combine them and make them one, basically. But I'm just showing you like how the curl pattern should be. It should be like kind of frizzy, kind of messy like. Alright, now it's time to start the crocheting process. I'm just showing you the crochet needle that they did send with the package. And now I'm just going to be putting that needle just right through the middle of the root of the braid. And you're going to latch the combined passion twist on the crochet needle, and you're just going to pull it right through. It's very easy. Like, you can try it a couple times. The hair might get stuck a little bit, but honestly it's really easy. And now you're just going to open the hole that you already had with the 2 passion twists,
and it might take a little minute to find it, but then you're just going to slide your braid through it and create a knot, as you can see. And you can tighten it or loosen it. It really doesn't matter because you're going to be wrapping it like I'm showing you. So if it's not as tight when you put the knot through, you can just make it a lot tighter by wrapping the hair around the root a couple of times. But now all I'm doing is really just wrapping, and I'm going to be holding my braid down with 3 of my fingers, yeah, and then I'm going to be using my index finger and my thumb to just kind of wrap the hair around my braid. And when I'm doing this, I'm kind of trying to do it messy a little bit so the butterfly effect can come in, but honestly it really just takes practice. And like what I've learned is the messier you do it, the better it will look more like a butterfly kind of effect. So just play around with it, but just wrap it around the braid that you already did with your original hair. And now for the ends, to make it like a bob length, what you're going to do is now just kind of start going back up the hair. So just make it like a small knot at the bottom, but not really a knot, just like turn it around and just go the opposite way. And I promise you it's not going to unravel or anything. The first time I did this I was scared that it would unravel, but it won't. And then just go right back up to your hair and then just shimmy it out. Alright, I'm just going to be showing you guys the same process as before, except this is going to be one of the butterfly locks that's going to be the closest to my forehead. So the only thing I'm going to be adding in new is just gel, so my edges and everything will look very, very sleek, as you can see.
Okay, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. A big shout out again to KLUY Hair for sponsoring this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this look, and let me know down in the comments if you decide to recreate this look or if you decide to shop with the Amazon company that I just said. Also, like I said, everything will be down in the description, so please check the description box if you want this specific hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.